Hey gang, today's unboxing is from CicadaSonic. I just love. Oops. Okay, I didn't give no address or anything out, but just all the little writing about fragile corners. Do not drop or crush. Do not bend. All that stuff. Oh, do not drop or crush and fragile corners. Yeah, written all over it. But yeah, if I tried to do that at my post office, they'd make me scribble half of it out. They're not happy about those type of things. Okay. We did a trade with CicadaSonic for some comics because he wanted some comics I had available, and I seen some comics he had that I wanted to get. So this box is exact comic book size, so that can be a little tricky to get out of there. So it worked out better by just dumping it out. All right, let's see what we got in here. It says gifts of appreciation. Thanks, that's awesome. Always like a little bonus here and there. Never know what you're gonna get. Actually, I'll do the bonus ones after I do all the other ones that I got from. It's like this is Venom or Deadpool. I love this cover. When I seen the one right there, the Venomized character there, I was thinking that was that Venomized Squirrel Girl. It has that big jaw effect that she has going on with her tail on one of the other covers that I've seen. But yeah, I like Venom. I don't think I checked out the Venom or Deadpool issue yet. Yeah, the inside doesn't. Yeah, I definitely didn't check this out. I don't recognize that big red cat character or anything, so this will be fun. I am looking forward to checking that out. I'm going to put it on the current reading pile. Actually, all these are going to probably go on the current reading pile. This is awesome. Harley Quinn with Bud and Lou are kind of demonized. Look like they're starving and they're all hair and bone. And didn't notice that from a distance, but I like Harley, I like Catwoman, I like Ivy, so you throw those girls together in any type of manner and I'm into it. And this one's got Catwoman and Harley on the cover. That should be a fun read. I suppose I'll put it in the current reading pile. It doesn't say anything about a 2 of 3 or 3 of 3 or anything like that, so might as well check it out, see what's been going on. I followed the Harley Quinn run until Kevin left. Uh, he was obsessed with hunting her down and trying to find out why she was kidnapped and all that. And I followed that whole part of the Harley run. I can't think of the numbers, but they're probably 50s. Uh, and then I took a break from it, and every now and then, if I see a cover, I jump back on. But if Kevin comes back on the story, I'll definitely be picking it up. One of Joker's flunkies. This, I feel like I might have issue one because I wanted to check it out and see how it was. But I believe he said this is a complete run. So we got Guardians of the Galaxy #1. That should be the newest run of Guardians. Trying to get them in order here. There's number 2 with Gamora on the cover. And we got number 3 with the awesome group cover. Number 4, Rocket. It's almost like each of the characters got a main cover, and then it goes back to group. Number 5, still more. Yeah. I've been enjoying reading some Guardians of Nowhere and stuff lately, so or what the heck, a complete set run, I might as well at least complete or close to complete. And I will say close to complete. I don't know. I'm not used to things going 10 issues, so there might be more. Oh yeah, number 6. Number 7. Number 8. And this I'll read them all and then do a comic book review of just this run. 9 and 10. I'm not a fan of the ultimate covers stripped down the side. I don't like that they waste a third of the cover with those stupid strips. I don't know why they started doing that. I mean, they did it back with the other. I don't think it was. Was it an ultimate run back in the 90s? Yeah, that should be fun. Fun, nice little run to read. I will put that in the current pile. Be my girl. I, I just like the characterization of Squirrel Girl. Yeah, or the duck. Number 6, which I think I thought I had this whole run, which I probably do. But it's just a different cover, but I have not seen this cover. So. All the little pictures behind her. Silver Surfer, Doctor Strange, Rocket, Flurkin. Oh yeah, Mutant Nation. Again, one that I thought I checked out the first issue, but I must not have. Well, no. AC part looked kind of familiar, but no, I don't think we did. At least I haven't seen this cover. That's the main reason I got it. But that's number 1, so that's going in the reading pile. And then I was happy to get these. I kind of wanted to just go with the trade, but I figured, what the heck. Dan had such a good deal on them. But I might as well pick up. And I love this surfer cover. It's like an actual person out surfing, just floating through the water, waiting for that big wave to come. But the Death of Silver Surfer number 1. Then this is Marvel swimsuit issue. Slightly confused about this. Uh, yeah, I'm like, okay, I just read this story. Didn't even think about it. I didn't. I only read it a couple days ago, but I have this cover. It's like I read this a couple days ago, and then I got this one from from Dan. But so this one I might have to I'm gonna have to resell. I don't care for the cover as much as the cover I have, so I will. There's a good possibility I'll sell this one. I reason I grabbed it is I seen I love they got the artwork in the back, that or the characters in the back on character sheets that you chop up and build your own little character. But they had some cool. Well, they had the Jeff Land Shark image in here and stuff. But I noticed some stuff with other characters in the story that they had. And it's kind of funny what they do with Punisher and stuff in here. Uh, but yeah, I read it, so you'll probably sell that one. I did not know I had it sitting here in my newest order delivery because I bought it for that surfboard cover, and so that was a double up. It happens. Then we got Predator, Black, White, and Blood. I don't think I ordered the first issue of this, but he had it, so I figured what the heck, I'd pick it up and check it out. But I think I was gonna wait for the trade on that also. So I hopefully didn't order the first issue. If I did, it'll probably be here next week with my next monthly order box. And it's kind of hard when you get an order box once a month. This is Spider-Man #1. Interesting cover on there. It's got a little squash. Corners all squashed out. But that's alright. It's a reader. John Romita's got a little in memory of in there. But the main reason why this is because of Rhino again. This might come in my box next week, maybe. I'm not sure when it came out, but I could have swore I ordered at least the first 3 issues because of Rhino being in the storyline. This is an annual, I just noticed. So that might be why I don't have this. I don't think I did. It was just the new one of the new Spider-Man runs had Rhino as the main character right off the bat. So in issue 1, I could have swore I ordered the first 3 of those, but I don't remember seeing the annual for it also. So at least I can use that as my reader copy since the corner's crushed, and I'll sit there and see what happens, see if it comes in. But I'm pretty sure I don't have an annual pre-order. I'm pretty sure it was just regular Spider-Man story. And then let's look at the bonuses that came with this. Dan has a lot of posters he comes up with. Certain comics he gets posters that basically rep the covers and stuff like that. This is cool. Gotham City Sirens. And I'm not big on posters and pictures anymore, other than regular artwork. Uh, from creators, but I have so many posters put away that are cool posters, but you can't. They take up so much space. I mean, one poster fills a wall because, like, the ones Dan has that goes with certain comics, those are usually, I think, ninefold. It's like you get those 9 and 12 fold posters, and they take up a lot of space. Finding a freaking frame for me. You pretty much go to Hobby Lobby and see what they got. Well, this is cool. Marvel Rising with Squirrel Girl and American Chavez, Miss Marvel on the cover. Must have been a Disney crossover cover type thing. It's got, what's her name? The evil witch chick. This is Marvel Rising #2, which I do have Marvel Rising. At least #1. I'm not sure. Looking at the storyline in here, I don't think I read this one. So if I do have it, I didn't read it, but I definitely have a different cover too. So it's like Miles is on the cover also. I see. But yeah, I will have to double check my Marvel Rising stuff and see if I have #2. I might not, which would be cool. Giant sized Age of the Apocalypse. Again, you got Miss Marvel on the cover with. I don't like Robo Hand Wolverine. It's like with his healing factor and all that. Why would they have to put a mechanical hand on him? I don't understand that, but interesting versions of characters on this one that I am going to have to check out, I guess, and see what's up with this storyline. There's Cool Werewolf by Night advertisement. Yeah, I'm not sure who the Mohawk guy is either. But #1, giant size, so I can read it right away, which is awesome. We always like those #1s. Then we got Fallen Friend, The Death of Miss Marvel, #1. I'm not a big fan of Miss Marvel, but Anthony from the Crimson Color Comic Club is. So the storyline doesn't grab me. I can always pass it on to him, but no, I don't need to, I guess, actually, because I'm sure he's bought it. But yeah, this is interesting. I will check it out. I'd say I don't hate Miss Marvel. It's like someone said the other day with Miles Morales and stuff. They get whiny and stuff. They got that whole young mentality, and it's like you're superheroes. Toughen up. Don't be sitting there worrying about things, crying about things. It's like time to grow up once you get superpowers. Yeah, it might happen when you're younger, but it doesn't matter. It's a heavy responsibility. Responsibility is a heavy responsibility. So, but yeah, that was an awesome little box of goodies. So I'm looking forward to reading some of those. And we will get back with more of these in the future. Keep following under the color of MS. I didn't even realize. I'm sorry. Hopefully it didn't record too much of it, too loud. But I had Lego Masters Australia playing in the background. As you can see, I got the sweatband on. I'm in between hauling loads from the storage shed, so I figured I'd take a break, drink another cup of coffee, and do a video. So that's why I just spaced out that I was watching TV when I was doing the video. Coffee's getting nice and cold. Not, but keep falling under the call of MS. Rate, review, subscribe, tell a friend, give us those likes, leave a comment. I'll comment back. And check out the Call Comic Club. And we'll be back with more of these soon. Thanks. Bye.